The President of India appointed Calcutta High Court's Justice Joymala Bakshi to Supreme Court. Justice Bakshi is scheduled to become the Chief Justice of India on 26 May 2031, the second from Calcutta High Court to rise to the top post in past 40 years. A short notification from Union Law and Justice Ministry read, in exercise of powers conferred by Clause 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution of India, President is pleased to appoint Justice Joymala Bakshi, Judge of Calcutta High Court, to be Judge of Supreme Court of India with effect from date he assumes charge of his office. Justice Bakhchi's appointment came through within 4 days of five-judge Supreme Court collegium recommending his name to Union government for appointment as Judge of Supreme Court. Despite appointment process getting completed swiftly by government, which normally takes months for appointment of High Court judges, Justice Bakhchi would be able to take oath only on March 17 when Apex Court resumes business after week-long break for holy festivities. Prior to Justice Bakshi assuming top post in judiciary, Justice Altamas Kabir was the last one from Calcutta High Court to have gone on to become the Chief Justice of India. Justice Kabir, who was appointed as Judge of Supreme Court on 9 September 2005, became Chief Justice of India on September 29, 2012 and retired on July 19, 2013 at tenure of nearly 10 months. Before Justice Kabir, it was Justice Sabyasachi Mukherjee who had become the Chief Justice of India on December 18, 1989 but died on September 25, 1990. This long list of succession for CJI post among present judges. After present Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna's retirement on 13 May, Justice Gawai would be the Chief Justice of India till November 23. He will be succeeded by Justice Suryakant who will have a tenure of 1 year and 3 months. After Justice Kant, following would be in line to become Chief Justice of India. Justice Vikramnath, tenure of over 7 months. B.V. Nagaratna, 37 days. P.S. Narasimha, over 7 months. J.B. Pardiwala, 2 years and 3 months. K.V. Vishwanathan, over 7 months. After Justice Pardiwala's retirement as Chief Justice of India on August 11, 2030, Justice Vishwanathan will be the Chief Justice of India till May 25, 2031. He will be succeeded by Justice Bakshi, who would have a short tenure of little over 4 months and retire on October 2, 2031.